Please help us pie it forward for the 29th annual Pie in the Sky Thanksgiving Bake Sale to benefit Community Servings.
Community Servings believes in the astonishing power of food.
And they are leading the Food is Medicine campaign across the country.
Community Servings provides medically tailored meals created by licensed dietitians to help clients fight specific chronic illnesses.
Community Servings creates delicious meals using the highest quality ingredients from food sources that are good for the economy and the environment.
Community Servings licensed dietitians formulate 15 medical diets that meet standards for clinical and medical outcomes.
Hi, I'm David Waters, the CEO of Community Servings. Community Servings has experienced unbelievable growth in the number of people asking us to feed them during the pandemic. Right before it started in March of 2020, we were feeding 1,000 people across the state. We thought it was huge, but now we're already at 1,800 people a day. That's a 70%, almost 80% growth since the pandemic began. And yet still, we're getting more and more people every week asking us. In September, we had 250 people ask us if we could feed them or a loved one who's struggling with a significant illness, unable to shop and cook for themselves, and unable to prepare the kind of beautiful, scratch-made, medically tailored meals that our kitchen does every day. And that's really where you come in, is that we need to feed more people, and we'd love your support to make that happen. It's the old adage, many hands make light work. If we all buy a pie, make a donation, peel some carrots, together the magic happens and we can feed so many more people. On our policy side, we've been telling healthcare leaders all across the country that feeding the critically ill is a smart part of their healthcare regimen, not just for what happens 10 years from now in someone's health, but what's going to happen in 3 months. We did the research to prove a return on investment of 16%, which means that's how much money you can save for a very expensive patient within 3 months of starting to feed them. What we're doing now is bigger research studies under the auspices of the National Institute of Health, NIH. One is looking at patients with HIV, one is looking at patients with diabetes, and each of them is measuring the clinical impact of our meals. So looking at how did their blood sugars, what's called A1C, change? How did their blood pressure change, their weight, other things like that. These are groundbreaking, some of the largest nutrition studies in the country, and they're happening right here in Boston, in Jamaica Plain, and that's what you're helping to support through the pie sale. So thank you.
Community Servings Teaching Kitchen provides job training to help at-risk students pursue a culinary career.
Community Servings is sharing their expertise with cities all across the country through their Food is Medicine Accelerator Program.
On average, 75 volunteers help in the kitchen daily to prepare, cook, and package the delicious, medically tailored meals.
One pie or one pie donation provides 1 week of medically tailored meals delivered for a Community Servings client, their children, and caretaker at home.
Please support Community Servings Pie in the Sky and help us pie it forward for our neighbors in need.
Team Pie It Forward began in 2009. We are business partners and friends who share a passion for helping communities in which we live, work, and play. We believe in the astonishing power of food.
We believe in the amazing accomplishments of Community Servings in our communities across the country and in their creation of a new field in the healthcare industry called Food is Medicine.